Hello fan collectors. What I have here is a Hunter Hotel original ceiling fan with the Adaptair. I bought this off Craigslist for $100. Lady was selling it, was trying to hurry up and get rid of it. And that is a good price because the fact that this fan is very expensive. Yeah, I always like the look because we know it's a replica of the old Hunter Hotel originals that they made back in around the 1930s, around that time. Yeah, as you see, the Adaptair turns the blades upward for coolness, downward for like in the winter season. Okay, let me get it started off on high. Yeah, just listen to it. Turn the light on. Okay, it's medium. Low. Now to switch the blades with the Adaptair switch. See, here we go again. That's to the left. Now turn it to the right. Start off on high again. See, with the blades facing upward, it doesn't go as fast as it is facing downward. Okay, medium again. Turn this light off. And low. I'm kind of glad Hunter brought these fans back, because these are some good collector's edition. Alright. Well, hope you enjoy.